Hello everyone, this is a video of a series where we answer the most common questions in MagicaVoxel. If you want to start using MagicaVoxel, you need to first download and install MagicaVoxel. If you want to do it, this is the page where you will be able to download MagicaVoxel. You will find the link to the main website in the description box below. But once on the website, you have to decide what version of MagicaVoxel you want to download. I suggest you download the 0.99 version as it's the latest and there are a lot of extra features. For example, now you can create really big scenes, a feature that 0.98 version was lacking. But at the same time, the 0.99 version is lacking some features present in the old one, like the time frame animation. For this reason, you should read the changes and the features on the main website and choose what version is best suited for your needs. This probably is a problem that will not be present in the future versions because there will probably be only one new version of MagicaVoxel. But you should read the changes and features anyway. It's a good practice. Thank you for being here. Subscribe if you like this video. Leave me a comment below, tell me what you think about it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.